ABCs for the Absolute Beginner number 6. We are introducing half notes, and that's where we slow that bow down. So go over to my bowing open strings, reading open strings video, and this will teach you how to do the different note values of the notes between quarters, halves, and wholes, and then I have other videos for different rhythms. So this one is just dealing with half notes. Half notes have 2 quarter notes in them, so each half note will get 2 beats. That head is now empty, and sometimes mine is. So the head of the note is empty and we still have that stem. So we still have that instead of it being completely full. So we get 2 beats for each of them. A, rest, 2, 3, 4. Then B, rest, 2, 3, 4. C, rest, 2. Watch this. B, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it changes. All of those measures before had a repeat in it, and this last measure with notes in it goes B, A. So watch out. Everybody flubs on that. That's okay. There is a repeat, and you can do it as many times as you need to. So let's slow down that bow a little bit. We can verbalize it, but we have to really internalize that beat with our bow and while we're playing. So all this time we've been doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So doing these pretty fast bows. Now we have to slow it down. We're going to have 2 beats per measure. So let's do our ones again. 1, and so I use this as a weight so I don't have to hold that whole thing on my hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is my quarter note, and then I have my half notes is da, da. I feel that 2 beats in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, da, da is like Mississippi hot dog kind of thing. And so it's just getting to relax and feel the beats between all of these notes and slowing down with those half notes. So this is a very good one to pluck and then air bow and say and do all of those things before you actually play it. So we said it. Now let's do just the fingers. So 1, 2, fingers go. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's just do the air bowing, just to slow this down a little bit. So you can put it right up in the air so that we are using gravity. Just go up and down. If it wavers, who cares? We're just slowing it down and feeling the 2 beats during this bow. 1, 2, ready, go. A. Then we do first finger, go. B, 1, 2, C, go. C, back to first finger, then A, B, A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's play it. I'm going to bring my hand back. 1, 2, 3, and slightly lift. I'm starting with a frog, and I'm going to do a slow bow. 1, 2, ready, open. A. First finger down, go. Second finger is C. 1, 2, B, then A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and rewind and repeat, loop everything that you need to do to make sure that you're comfortable with these.